How long does it take to truly haunt somebody, to affect them with such a sense of awe they cannot stop thinking about you and what you have said to them? A number of memes take less than a minute to haunt those watching. Can you do the same with words alone and with whomever you're speaking? In this video, you'll discover why we can be haunted so quickly and how to start the process of creating your own haunting place. Welcome to the haunting place. As we sit together this evening and gaze from the window of the world, we seek answers to how such minute fragments of media can haunt us, how they inspire an audience to re-edit and remix, to add layers of depth in narrative, or create lore around the meme that elevates it to even higher degrees of mystique and enigma. The Erosion Bird, or Opium Bird, has inspired many to wonder what this strange piece of media reveals. Is it a mutated bird discovered in Antarctica? A meme sent back through time from 2027? Or simply striking imagery that captivates us? Splicing together several fast edits of the bird with a discordant beat-driven music track adds to the peculiar sensations the Erosion Bird meme inspires within us. Like other pieces of media before it, Erosion Bird creates a sense of awe within us. Now, whilst awe is usually associated with an oeuvre of wonderment, reverence and admiration, it was not always this way. For awe has traditionally summoned feelings that are uncomfortable, a foreboding or fear that makes us uneasy, as if a threat is near. Inspiring awe places the audience in a strange narrative liminal space between intrigue and disgust. The inhuman, oddly unnatural flaying of the AI-generated creature, combined with absolute stillness, attracts us, as would spotting a danger lurking nearby, a predator or phantom in the night. So why does this sense of awe happen? What does the creator of the meme do to achieve the results they inspire within us? Well, a juxtaposition of arresting imagery, capricious movement, and heart rate increasing music positions us between something that exhilarates and repulses. We are trapped in between, wanting to look away and yet mesmerized by what we see. Add to this an enigmatic phrase such as la calme fit, and the imagination starts whirring as it attempts to make sense of what is transpiring before our eyes and ears. We are provoked to act, to ponder, to share, to dive deeper into what we've just seen, and to validate how we feel about it by revealing this curiosity to others. Images that exist in the uncanny valley can be very haunting when used in specific ways, whilst music that both enhances and polarizes against the imagery begins to captivate. As the creature breaks the fourth wall, it seems the observed becomes the observer, as if it were watching us all the time, not through a screen, but through some preternatural means. Is this innocuous meme really harmless? Or is there something more to this than meets the eye? Music and imagery are powerful tools when seeking to inspire awe, to emotionally haunt others. Captivating, mesmerizing and hypnotic, startlingly curious and bizarre, we are drawn in and repelled by such imagery, feeling both motivated to act and yet paralysed as if caught by Medusa's glare. The song of the humpback whale haunts in mere moments of hearing it, sombre and elegiac, in that lonely cool. Music also plugs directly into some hardwired neurological response that can haunt us perhaps the most deeply of all, apart from maybe an aroma, a smell from the past, a perfume of a loved one now long since departed. But what of words alone? Can we haunt others in less than a minute through mere words? Mystics of old believe we can. The sacred phrase and the secret mantra possess the ability to heal and transform. Legends of Kotodama armies in ancient Japan tell of battles where they shatter bones by intoning words, to the degree where hordes of enemy soldiers would fall to the ground dead at the sound of those words alone. Poets and authors have strived for such bounty for centuries, calling upon the muses to inspire the gift of haunting. Corporations such as Disney use formulas such as the 6 touches to effect this rapid shift of emotion from ease to awe, and in many ways it can have a profound effect, for when the 7th touch is in play, the haunt is evoked, and the horror and amazement are conjured from the ether. But there is another way if you are prepared to practice and practice hard, for we are bound by biases and assumptions. We fix the world into place, paralyze it, a place of our making and comfort. We distort and twist information to match our beliefs and confirm what we already know to be true. However, present the perfect narrative in the perfect place and at the perfect time, and a person's worldview will crumble in awe of something beyond anything they could conceive as possible. For whilst words are not images or music in the obvious sense, the haunting they can inspire is far greater in scale, deeper in action, and longer lasting in effect than any other medium. Words change us, haunt us, and leave us in awe. For just as the mythical Erosion Bird gazes into our soul from the snow-driven peaks of Antarctica and the cold hollows of AI-generated eyes, we have the power to change hearts and minds with the words we place into the world and the devastating, awe-inspiring transformation they achieve. If you would like to learn more about haunting others, inspiring awe, storytelling, and creating memorable narrative media, click subscribe to unravel the mysteries of the haunting place. And please, tickle the like button with your ghostly touch. You know they'll enjoy it. For now, and always, remember, every moment you embody in this life, make it a haunting place.